Wanted to do an unboxing video of the Blue Jay aerial photography drone U45W. It has power banks, real-time VPV, Wi-Fi control, headless mode, 360 flips, one button takeoff, easy for kids to use, low battery alarm. I also want to show you the charging methods are the phone charger, the USB, the power bank, which it came with two, computer card charger, which is nice. You can use your phone to fly this Wi-Fi video drone, compatible with Android or iPhone. It's perfect for kids, like I said, because it has a one-key remote, which I will show you. It traces custom routes, and it came with two batteries so you can enjoy longer lifetimes. I already opened it up just to make this video a little bit easier. But like I said, the one control button for takeoff and landing. The video down here where you can see the spot up there to hold your phone, and the actual drone itself. It's raining in my area today, so I won't be able to fly it. Hopefully I can get a video up pretty soon of that. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like up in person. I bought it for my husband and my kids, so I'm sure they're going to love it.